Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Mark from Woodworkers Source. It's great to see you again. I've got to tell you about this cool event we were at just last week. We flew out to Des Moines, Iowa to go visit Wood Magazine and partner with them and the Iowa Veterans Cemetery to build cremation urns for fallen veterans. So we brought 1,000 board feet of our finest red oak lumber. And then 250 woodworking friends at the Weekend with Wood event got together and they built 130 cremation urns to benefit the families of America's finest. And you wouldn't believe it, this is so awesome. They got it done in 2 hours. We were honored to donate the wood and just to be there to see this whole thing happen. It was really cool to watch. And now you gotta check out all the action. Here are the highlights. And I just want to say thank you to the woodworkers who were there to make this happen, Wood Magazine, Ryobi and Rigid Tools, and of course the men and women who dedicate their lives to service.